it's like, yo, it's not about you at the end of the day. It's about the record.
Mm.
That's the most important thing. And no one's gonna clap louder for you if it's just you on the song.
Yes.
Do you know what I mean?
No, 100%. I got you. Know what? This just makes reminds me of a thing. I didn't even know Amin Aron. So back in the days there was this track that was made right, and then he had done like most of the beat, and then the beat was sent to another person that added this whole fucking other element of synths in there that you'd have never thought of at the time, and I just added that, and it just fucking made the record sound complete, and it was like. Wow. Through the collaboration of it. I mean, that was me having
100%.
the first having experience of like, okay, but how about you? This is like, again, this is your strong suits, but this man just added a whole element that fucking elevated the song to the fucking roof. You know what I mean?
100%. Because,
Yeah.
bro, like even me, like I hit roadblock sometimes. Like I can work a record,
Yeah.
but then sometimes your brain just goes like, yo, I have no more ideas. Send it off to the next person, bro. And
You listen to it.
they'll come in with their own perspective of the song and what they feel the song would need. You know what I
Yeah.
mean?